वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए फिर से एक नया वीडियो लेके आए हैं। तो वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर से ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलें, ताकि फ्यूचर में हम कोई भी वीडियो डालें उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल जाए। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, आज का वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो एक लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन कि लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन प्रोसीजर क्या है। अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन पास आउट हो गए हैं तो आप यूनिवर्सिटी को कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में सर्च करते हैं तो मेरा सजेशन ये है कि अगर आप लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेंगे तो ये यूनिवर्सिटी लखनऊ की बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में से एक है। तो इसमें क्या क्या प्रोसीजर होते हैं, क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया होती हैं, तो आइए एक एक करके देखते हैं। पहले हम आपको यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ के बारे में थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहेंगे। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ वॉज फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1920। इट इज़ अ स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी। इट्स मोटो इज़ टू लाइट एंड लर्निंग। The affiliations are UGC, NAC, ACU, BCI and AIU, and its website is lkounif.ac.in. So these are the PG management program that the university is offering, such as MBA regular, MBA self-finance, MBA finance and control, MBA human resource, MBA marketing, MBA International Business and Master in Travel and Tourism Administrations. MBA Admissions Guideline. Admissions to the MBA programs of the University of Lucknow for the academic session 2021 will be carried out through the entrance exam for degree level engineering institution and other professional college through UPSEE 2020. That is being carried out by the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. Those who are interested, then interested applicant, they have to apply and appear for the UPSEE 2020, and applicant can apply at upsee.nic.in for the following programs available in the University of Lucknow. The application will begin every year in the months of February and March, and it's end in the April last week. So you can see the table that the program that is offered by University of Lucknow, that are MBA regular, self-finance, finance and control, human resource, marketing, IB and Master in Travel and Tourism Administration. So if we talk about the departments, MBA regular is in also old campus, MBA self-finance is also in old campus, plus MBA finance, human resource, marketing and IB and MTTM. These courses are also available in University of Lucknow, but in the new campus, that is in the Jankipuram. So if we talk about the type, MBA, it is a regular type and all of them are self-finance. In regular 60 seats are there and in self-finance 60 seats are there. And if we talk about the new campus, in MBA finance, HR, marketing, there is 120 seats available, and in IB 60 seats, and those who want to do travel and tourism 60 seats are available. If we talk about the fees per semester for MBA regular, that is 48,173. If you have taken admission through self finance, that your fees will be 81,080 and so on. And if you are pursuing for tourism, then your fees will be per semester is 28,080 rupees. An additional amount of 5,000 will have to be deposited as a refundable caution money by all the candidates at the time of admission. Non-Lucknow University graduates will have to deposit a one-time non-refundable enrollment fee of rupees 1,000. Direct admission. So there is also a scene of direct admission. In case there are seats vacant after the UPSC 2020 counseling, the University of Lucknow will advertise these seats on its website, that is lucknow.unif.ac.in. The interested candidate can apply along with their scores in the following All India test for which the candidates had appeared in the last 1 year. If you have appeared in any of one of the exams that I have mentioned, that is CAT, EMAT, EXAT, MAT, if you have any opted any exams, so you can also apply if there is vacant seat available. The percentile score obtained by the candidate in any of the above tests will be treated as for the admissions. Candidate will have to appear in the personal interview at the University of Lucknow. The merit list will be prepared by giving the 80% weightage to the percentile obtained in the test, that is written test, and the 20% weightage to the personal interview. The application for fees for general is 2000 rupees, and for category, that is SC and ST, it is 1000 rupees. Now let us talk about the eligibility rules for admission in the MBA program. All admission to the various MBA program will be governed by the ordinance of the Department of Business Administration as well as the Institute of Management Sciences, depending on where that particular program is being conducted. Candidate will be eligible for admission to the MBA program if she has completed the graduation in any stream with 10 plus 2 plus 3 system from any university recognized by UGC, that is University Grant Commission. The candidate should also have secured minimum 50% of marks at graduate level. If the candidate has secured 49%, then he cannot apply. He has minimum of 50% marks. However, for the SC and ST candidate, the minimum pass percentage of marks at graduate level will be 45%. University reserve the right to cancel any admission at any stage. In case of any matter relating to the MBA admission, the decision of the Vice Chancellor Admission Committee, that is University of Lucknow, shall be final and binding. All the legal matter pertaining to the MBA admission shall be subjected to the Lucknow jurisdictions only. The fees of different courses will be displayed while declaring the final admission list on the university website. Let us talk about the entrance exam pattern. What is the pattern of entrance exam? So what is the types of question? The types of question will be multiple choice question. The duration of the exam will be 90 minutes. Number of questions will be 100. The marking scheme will be +4 for every correct answer. If negative marking is also there, for every incorrect 1 marks will be deducted. An interview is conducted after the written exam is qualified. Candidate with 50% or more in entrance are invited for the interviews. 5% relaxation in marks are given to SC and ST candidates. The weightage of interview and GD is 20 marks. So let us talk about the placement at a glance. What are the placements opportunities at University of Lucknow after completed or pursuing the MBA? The highest average package offered by the University of Lucknow is 3 to 6 lakh per annum. These are the following companies that they go for the placement drives, such as ICICI Bank, HDFC Banks, Axis Bank, Zaro Education, Prism Johnson, Reliance Jio, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, ITC, ICICI Prudential, Byju's and Extra Marks. So these are the detail-wise specialization course that the university will offer. That is MBA Marketing, Finance and Control, MBA in HR and IR, and MBA in International Business. So you can go through each by pausing the video and you can read each and every slide. So that's all are the procedure and criteria for the admission in Lucknow University. If you feel any difficulty or not understood anything, you can personally comment me in this video. I will try to resolve your issue or anything which you have not understood regarding the admissions in the University of Lucknow. And if you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.